Master dehumidifiers are widely used during finishing and overhaul works in a single-family housing industry. Autumn and winter period is particularly hard for any construction works. Low temperatures do not favor technological processes, and this is often the reason of the work cessation. On just painted or plastered walls can appear damp patches, which are difficult to remove during a winter. Dehumidifiers allow to remove humidity relatively fast, regardless of the outside temperature. During finishing works, various models of dehumidifiers can be used. The most important thing is a correct selection of a device for a dehumidified surface. The Master line offers professional models of high efficiency to be used even in very hard conditions, as well as smaller models intended mainly for home use. Most of them has a built-in hygrostat and water container. A comfortable handle and wheels make the device's transport on the right spot very easy, and the tank's capacity indicator guarantees that the device's operation will be stopped at the moment when the tank is full. In case of building a house or other facility, dehumidifiers ensure the continuity of finishing works even during the winter season. Thanks to them, wet floors, walls, or ceilings are no longer a problem.